Oh yeah, me again. I bought this snazzy little screwdriver. Obviously for doing the bikes, and obviously I'll use it around the house, in around my shed and stuff. But yeah, so I thought I'd do this little thing just to show you what's in the box, really. As you can see on the side here, it says you get 2 batteries, charger, and the electric screwdriver with all the torque settings. So you get this nice little bag as well with it, and here it all is. So you got your nice charger there, battery 1 and battery 2 already on the drill, screwdriver, sorry, not drill. But yeah, feels really nice in the hand. I like the light, the way the light stays on, so you can readjust yourself, you know, to your next screw. Well, for me it'd be mainly Allen keys, because I have bought it mainly for doing the bikes. But yeah, not a bad bit of kit. Feels really, really comfy in the hand. But yeah, so then you get, like, you know, obviously your warranty, 3-year warranty with it. You get a bit. Yeah, you get your 3-year warranty. Nothing but heavy. Don't know what that is. You get your charger, specs, I guess, and one on your screwdriver. But yeah, it's only a short one, just to show you my new toy, basically. Yeah, anyway, stay safe out there, and of course, get out and ride.